ಯುದ್ಧ. ಮೂರನೆಯದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಸೈನ್ಯ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ವೈ ಡು ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Now I will tell 6 points. The first one is freedom allows us to talk about our wishes. Arnab's debates are the best example to talk about freedom. Without freedom, we cannot ask questions or cut others' speech. The second point is freedom allows one to express an opinion. Our finance minister Nirmala Sitaraman did some tax changes and our public did not like it, and hence they gave an opinion to change it. So our finance minister changed it. And the third point is freedom allows us to choose our leaders. We get to choose our prime minister, chief minister, and even the president of Watermark. And the fourth point is freedom allows us to choose our friends. Recently, America did not want us to be the friend of Russia, but because we had freedom, we made Russia our best friend and got petrol from Russia. And the fifth point is freedom allows us to safeguard our needs. Recently, Narendra Modi stopped the export of rice and sugar so that all the poor Indians can get food. And the sixth point is freedom allows us to celebrate the festivals we like. We do not need to stick to Halloween and Thanksgiving, but we can also celebrate our own festivals such as Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, Ramzan, etc. So, do you all want to protect your independence?
Yes.
I have 3 points. The first one is use freedom responsibly. Just because I have freedom, can I say I will not do homework? No. Then our mother will use their freedom to scold us. And the second point is promote our country. Our country is beautiful and wonderful. Enjoy whatever you have and talk nice about it. And the third point is work together. Join hands, work together to make our nation and Watermark more stronger and safer. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind.